Hi everyone, Avery here, direct to you. I have here today Xenoblade Chronicles 2 Collector's Edition and Xenoblade Chronicles Definitive Edition Collector Set for unboxing. I actually got Chronicles 2 second hand recently, a while back, but decided not to play it until the first one arrived. I think I paid full price for it and shipping, something like that. And I just picked up Chronicles today from EV Games. I actually had it pre-ordered, but I didn't pay the whole thing in full, so I actually got to collect it. I still have the Wii version somewhere, but never got the 3DS version. I'm going to start off by unboxing the Chronicles 2 first. I have Switch with me, so I'm going to make a save file as well of the game to collect the bonus. So here goes. So this is the box. I really like the red and the black, and the bit of green that is showing. On the back it says that there's a double-sided poster, game card, steelbook, sound selection CD, and a 220 page art book in this collection box set. So let's open this now. Okay, the first thing I can see is the art book. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. And here's the art book, all 222 pages. 220 pages, sorry. Some really nice stuff there. Okay, let's put this down. I just realised I didn't have space to put any of this, but whatever. Okay, so in a little plastics. I'm assuming this is a game in the poster. And the CD, and here it is. So you can't see it. There's a CD, a poster, the game, and the steelbook. So this is the CD. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tracks. It's a nice poster. I'll probably hang this up somewhere, or maybe just keep it like this for now until I find a space for it. Oh, it's actually double-sided. Nice. Look at that. And the steelbook, the back, the front, plus the game. There you go, this is the game right there. Okay, I'm going to plug this game in to my Switch now, which I have right here. Oh, I only have Animal Crossing in there. That's going away. Xenoblade Chronicles 2. So loading it up now. I already downloaded the DLC beforehand, so it shouldn't have to download anything else, but just in case I skipped it, I'll skip it anyway. Okay. So let's put this all back for now. Now onto the good stuff. Oh, okay, this doesn't close properly. Okay, good. It's like really long up here for some reason. I don't get it. I don't know how I pulled it open before, because I must have missed something. Oh, okay, this goes over the top here, sorry. My bad. There you go. There, so it should be like this. Easy and simple. And in goes the art book. And let's put this aside for now. God, there's no space. Okay, so here's the good stuff. This is Xenoblade Chronicles Definitive Edition. Wow, look at that. I really like the black and red. Well, it's not really exactly black, but yeah, it looks really nice. It looks really premium. I think it looks much better than the Chronicles 2 one on the back. Really nice pictures as well. You can see. So this one collector's sets the same thing. There's a steel book, sound selection CD, and a 256 page. Actually, this one's got more. It's a bit bigger. A bit bigger. Okay, so let's open this now. Okay, I don't want to ruin it, so I'm going to try to open it as nicely as possible. There we go. It's going to be hard to open. It's got creasing the top. It's alright, I think I can do this. Oh, here goes nothing. Yeah, it's not opening out. It's stuck. Sorry about this. I have to get a knife or something. Oh, come on, get up. Try it from the side. No, it's not lifting. Here it is. Oh, I got it. Yep, there we go. There we go. Creased a little bit. Well, so you can see here, inside the first thing you see is the art book again. Xenoblade Chronicles 3 art book is brand new and sealed. Really nice. And he's oh, this one's much nicer. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. And right inside is the CD and the game. Like that. So obviously I'm going to play Xenoblade Chronicles 2 first, just to get a save file, and I'm going to go and get that sorted, and then we'll start streaming Xenoblade Chronicles probably a bit soon after. Alright, so I think that's it for the video. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.